Why is it so that you always run away? Why is it so that...
Hey guys, welcome to Frank's Tech Help. Today we're going to be unboxing the Dune Thunder. Now I've seen this branded as, I think, from HBX. This one is Keliwow. And this is actually a sticker on here. And underneath it says HaiBoxing, so looks like they've rebranded it just slightly. So anyway, let's go ahead and dig in, unbox this puppy, and see what we're working with here. Well, that's pretty nice. I did a lot of research before I got my hands on this one. Mainly had to do with waterproof factor. Extended batteries. There is a modification that I'll do a video on here later on how to modify the battery to use extended batteries. Well, not extended, but the 2-cell, like the 2S batteries. So, so the waterproof factor and also the speed. This thing's supposed to do like 25 miles per hour, and we'll see about that. Alright. So you do have to separate the tape underneath the bottom there. I'm just going to go ahead and take everything out here and get rid of the boxing, and we'll go from there. Oh, a couple of more zip ties going on here. There we go, right here and here. Alright. I'm going to tell you what, they got these zip ties in there really well. Whoever put this puppy in there did a good job. There we go. Alright, get this boxing out of the way. Goodbye, boxing. See you later. Alright, so you can see it out of the box now. Looks like it's got a little label on the front here. We'll go ahead and cut that off. Warning. Blah 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 blah. Dear customer, blah 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 blah. That's all that says. So the profile on this is pretty cool. It actually kind of sits low in the back and high in the front. The shocks on it, really good. You see that? Should make for some good action as it's traveling. And go ahead and get this stuff out of the way here. So we've got a controller right there. And then you've got your forward, reverse, and it kind of centers off there, so if you push back, I guess that's reverse, and then this is forward. So then your steering control, and it's got an auxiliary button here. Oh, and then it has the for the steering alignment, throttle trim and steering trim, and then you can do steering reverse, and then you've got your on and off switch there as well. So get that out of the way. See what else we got here. Alright, we have a pack of screws and extra cotter pins for the top of the unit, as far as where the cotter pins hold in the overall top housing. Little instructions here on how to install the tail fin. It's what the screws are for. Shows you how to do all of that as far as that goes. And a nice little screwdriver. Actually came with the screwdriver. Go figure. So then the tail, actually, I'm not going to do this right now. I'll do this after the fact, but there's 4 screw points in the back right here, and then the tail basically sits into that, and you pop the screws in there to lock it in like that. So we'll do that here in just a bit. See what else we got in here. We got another box. I would imagine this is the charger. Yep. Alright. Yay, they sent me an American United States standard 110 outlet charger. I know some people have ordered this and they end up with a European charger even though they're in the States, or vice versa. So for the charging unit, pops in like that, just plug it into the wall, charges the batteries. Now for the batteries here, I'll go ahead and remove the cotter pins here and get the top off of this puppy. Alright, so then the top just pops off like that. Now you do have a cable connector right here, and this is for the LED lights along this top edge and the front headlights there. And that plugs in to the unit right there. So now on the side of this, we have the batteries. They're already pre-installed right there as far as that goes. And they have these little tabs, so you can actually just go ahead and pull them, probably get right on your business if that's what you want to do. And it looks like there's a clip line here, and you force this up and pop it off to take the battery out. We'll get to that here in just a few. And then get a switch on the side right here. Looks like green for go, red for stop, whatever's in the middle there. I'm going to go ahead and pull the tabs here. We'll flip the switch, see what's going on with it. Alright, so it looks like that's an off switch, and red is hot because I see a light flashing in there once I turn that on. Of course, I don't have batteries in the transmitter yet, so let me go ahead and drop some batteries in here. And it looks like it uses 2 AA batteries according to the side piece right there, and they just go straight in. You have your positive, which the tip will be up and the tip will be down there. Let me go ahead and grab a couple of batteries. Got the batteries going on here, so positive, negative, going down like that. Slide this back in right there, like that. Just click it into place. Oh, make sure it's in track. There we go. Click it into place. And you got your on and off switch. So let's go ahead and turn the unit on here. Oh yeah, it's already got some charge in it. And this is 4-wheel drive. It does have, as far as the differential in the back, you can see as I'm spinning the wheel there, it does have it on the front as well, which is nice. So, whoa, 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 don't be so touchy. So, here we go, going forward. Stop, going backwards. Oh yeah. Oh. So, alright, so there you have it. As far as that functionality goes. Ooh. It's gonna try to get away from me. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch the switch back off there. Turn the transmitter off there. And I'm gonna plug in the lights here real quick just to verify that everything is working properly. So, plug those in, and then just drop that on top there for a second. And we'll turn the unit back on. Oh yeah, so there you have your headlights. Like that. That'll be nice at nighttime. Just plugs in right there, as you can see. So, alright, so I guess that, I don't know, it covers all the basics as far as I can see. I'm going to pop this back off here. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and get the tail fin locked into the back of it there. Take these screws out of the package here and take care of that. So this is for the short screws, this is for the long screws in the back right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed. And during this process, I'm just going to go ahead and put the screws in here just to make it easier like that, instead of trying to hold that wing up to the back of the unit there.
OS 10 includes a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Oh.
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Sorry, I'm in the process of restoring a client's MacBook, and it started talking to me here. So, alright, so we're going to go ahead and install this onto the back here, get it in the right direction, using the screwdriver that they provided. Alright, so that was a little awkward trying to install that, because you got to have everything lined up properly or it just won't go in when you try to install the screws there. So now that everything's lined up properly, it's working very easily now. So alright, so we got the tail fin installed there, locked into place as far as that goes. And I'm going to go ahead and put the top back on it, hook up the lights, and let's take it for a little test spin here. Alright, now I got the cotter pins back in there. That took forever and a day. Of course, that's my first time doing it. As you can see on the front, the cotter pins are going this way, and that way hopefully they stay more secure. On the back side of this, I did the cotter pins, instead of sticking them in this way, I stuck them in that way, and they're not as likely to pop out in the back right there. So there you have the unit all put together. And so when you want to use this, you've got the power switch right there. Put my finger in here as you can see, so when you turn the power on, it's all set to go. Get this stuff out of the way there. Turn on the remote unit there. Push this junk out of the way. And we'll go outside here in just a second, but I just want to give it a little test here. Ooh. Whoop. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm destroying stuff on my kitchen counter here. Alright, so there we have it. It's ready to rip-roaring fun there. So, alright, so let's get this puppy in the field and see what's going on. Okay guys, so here we are outside with the Dune Thunder, and I'm just going to take it for a little test drive here, see how the dogs react to it. Here they come. Ooh, what is that? What is that? What is that, Lulu? What is that? What is that? Ooh, Casper likes it. The dogs love it. They don't like the drone at all. Lulu's not so sure. She's an Australian Shepherd. She's a little precarious at times. So here we go. So I got some pretty thick grass back here, and it's cutting through it with no problem. Oh, I didn't realize the dogs were gonna love it this much. Woo! Alright guys, so here we are back inside after driving the dogs absolutely nuts. They love this thing. They can't get enough of it, and they're all like pooped, crashed out on the couch now. So I'm going to go over real quick on removing the batteries. Pop the top off here real quick. So if you flip the unit upside down, the easiest way to remove the batteries, you see this little line straight through here. There's a clip right there if you just get your fingernails in behind that, like that. So then you can remove one battery there, and do the same thing on the other side. Get your fingers underneath. That clips right off there, and remove the other battery. And then from there, just drop them on the charger and let them charge. I haven't checked the actual charge time yet because I just got this today. This is more the unboxing, but I'll get into more stuff later as far as this goes. So anyway, there you have it. Awesome fun for the dogs, guys. So this is my basic unboxing and general review on the HBX Keliwow 12891 Dune Thunder. Hope this video helped you guys out, and thanks for tuning in to Frank's Tech Help. Peace.
Why is it sad?